start off, just use a flathead screwdriver to remove these tabs. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth is located here. Then use the same flathead screwdriver just to unscrew this one. It's done. Then pull on this tab to remove the MAF, mass airflow sensor. Just pull on this. There is a slight pin you have to pull, then you can remove it. Pull this to the side, and then you can just come here. Just and this removes these top bars. You then remove the filter. This lower part is held by this side and this side, so you need, this one needs a little bit of pressure, so just work it out. This gets removed. You then need to remove this gourmet. It's 17 hex. It's gonna be used after for the new one to hold it in place. Just pull that to the side. And lastly, you need to remove this screw. Use a flathead screwdriver. Good. This pulls this part of the airbox. You need a slightly good pressure to pull this one. In the kit that came from Alibaba, you will find the aluminium pipe, and this is where the sensor that comes from this part needs to be put. It's directional, so it wouldn't go in without being in the right direction, so just use a screwdriver to pull this and put it in this one. For reference, for the mass airflow sensor in the stock box, it would be removed with this screw, so you need to use the provided screws in the kit, and they are smaller. And just for being, I guess, future safe, I bought this mass airflow sensor cleaner, which I'm gonna use on this sensor. This is what it should look like after being placed. The kit also comes with this silicone sleeve. We just need to put this in here, and watch out, try to get this screw in a way where you can tighten it like this, so we can put the screwdriver from here, and watch out to not over tighten it, because it can break, so just watch out. So like I said, just slide this. Should go in pretty simple. When you've tightened this one, the lower one which gets stuck there, try to pull and see if it's secure, and it should. Then just use the pipe we just set up, place this one well so we can screw it easier to this side, and put this one in. By the way, the kit came with this slight rubber part protector, weather strip, or I don't know what you call it, and I noticed that on this side there were a lot of cables So just be safe and put this on this side that faces the cables, just so there is no damage with friction that can cause the cables to be cut or something. What I found easier is to try to line this up, pull this one up and try to line it behind the vent where it comes from. Here you just need to put the gourmet that came at first on this this place, so it's held like this. Tighten the gourmet, we just remove, we just place lining. The kit also comes with this filter, and we just need to put this on, put it in, and tighten this screw. Make sure it's tight, pull on this, it's good. The kit also came with this top part. You can either put it or don't, but I would advise anyways, since the stock one was closed air intake, I would put this top part in. And I also bought this weather seal from Amazon with the top bulb, because if you don't, there will be big gaps on the side here. And just to make it more sealed, I bought this, and it's more aesthetics anyways when it's put in. So let's put this part in. The kit also came with these screws, these small screws, and these washers. So these ones go in this, and then you put it on the 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. And just like a dumbass, before finishing, I noticed I forgot this screw here. This is a 10 millimeters, so I'm just gonna work on removing it and placing this one inside it. So like I said, this rubber seal makes it much better, because otherwise this whole thing would just be showing and there would be a big ass gap in here. All this is kind of sealed for now. This one is done, the gourmet is done, the screws, the mass airflow sensor we cleaned, and yeah, the silicone sleeve tightened. And don't oversize in anything, just snug, but don't go Hulk mode.